guys. So it is literally 7 o'clock. It's super early, so really casual, no makeup kind of intro today. I woke up feeling super inspired to do another turn my plus size clothes into new clothes type of video today. So after going through my pile of clothes that I was going to donate or flip into new clothes, I came across these super cute leggings, but they definitely don't fit me anymore. And looking at the fabric, I was like, this would be really cool to turn into Kylie Jenner's WAP outfit. As soon as the idea popped into my head, I was super excited, so I went onto Google and YouTube to see if anyone else has done the DIY, and I did come across 2 other videos, so I'll link them down below in case anyone wants to check them out. They did such a good job on theirs, but also I thought it'd be fun to see how this outfit looked on a 14 size figure. So if you want to see me try to recreate Kylie Jenner's WAP video outfit from these leggings, then just keep on watching. I don't even know how it's going to turn out, honestly, but we're going to try. And I'm not even sure if I have enough fabric. Definitely don't have enough fabric to do the boots, but we'll see. We'll get there. Okay, so for this costume DIY, I used this activewear leggings that used to fit me pretty perfectly, but now they don't, which is great, but they're still really cute, so I want to repurpose the fabric. So basically for this DIY, I opened up the pants of the leggings just so I can maximize the fabric so it was completely flat, like a sheet of fabric, and then I followed the body suit DIY that I last did for this series, and I'm not going to bore you with redoing it again in this video, but basically I just did the same thing that I did to create the bodysuit. The only thing different is that I marked up 13 inches from the crotch area and cut that top of the bodysuit in half from the top part of the bodysuit, because the top part of this outfit actually had 2 separate pieces instead of being one bodysuit piece. So then I cut that in half. So here you can see that these are the 3 pieces for the front, and you can kind of see the shape of the outfit coming together. But since I didn't have enough fabric for the corset or the boots, I thought I would still add the black trimming to kind of get that effect of the outfit that she was wearing. So I just used another plus size piece that I had to cut a few strips like this, so I could add that to the edges of the pieces so it can act as a trim that she had in her outfit. And for this entire DIY, I just used straight stitches, so you literally can just use a basic sewing machine if you wanted to do something like this. It's just a matter of figuring out what pieces to sew together. Like for this step right here, I'm just attaching the bottom piece to the 2 top pieces by putting the right sides together. But before I did that, I also attached trim to the bottom piece as well. For me, I thought it was important to do the trim on this outfit because since I didn't have enough fabric to do the corset with the leopard, I thought that the trim still added that separation that the original costume had. And on here you can see that this is what the front looks like all sewn together, and then over here is what it looks like attached to the back piece, which again I will link down that bodysuit video down below for your reference. And then keeping this DIY as simple as possible, I just used one of the elastic bands of the pants and cut out the actual elastic but still kept a little bit of it to keep the structure, sewed it into a strip, and then turned it inside out to make it into the choker piece, and then I just attached the 2 ends together. And then now I'm just opening up the other side of the waistband to create the gloves, and this was perfect because I literally just had exactly the amount to make the gloves and the bodysuit. For the gloves, I just traced my hand on that fabric, making sure I had enough fabric all around each finger to sew all the way around. Probably about a ½ inch of seam allowance would be good for that, and then just made them as long as possible by tracing my arm down. And then cut that out, sewed it all together. It looks super ugly on the inside, but this is how it turned out on the outside, and I think it looks pretty good. And this is how the entire look came together. I definitely didn't have enough leopard fabric to make the boots, so I just paired it with some regular thigh-high black boots. And if I were to do this again, I definitely would make the choker a little bit thicker so it looks more like her outfit. Also, I would probably not cut out so much fabric in the center. Hers had a little bit more fabric in there, not so much of that middle stomach area showing. but I still think it turned out similar to her outfit. Pretty good for being pants and now turning it into this. Actually really loved it, and as you can tell, I'm really feeling myself in the outfit. And also I just want to say thank you for the love and positivity with this new series. For me, these videos are more than just fashion DIYs. It's really about showing myself how far I've come, documenting that, while also inspiring you guys maybe to express yourself through fashion or even just creatively to see how you can upcycle your clothing. But also on a deeper level to show you guys that even if you're in a bad place where you don't feel the most confident or you're feeling like your insecurities are consuming you, I definitely felt like that before, and never in a million years would I have thought that I would upload a video like this on the internet. But this year I've really taken ownership of my health, and with that I've felt the most confident I've ever felt, and I'm excited to be able to show you guys that through these videos in more fun, creative ways. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.